This is our Clover 6. So it's got a little camera on the back and a lighting system on the back too, so I can place it in front of it. You can see straight away we get quite a good image on there. And of course you can make it as big as you like by pressing your buttons. So you get quite a good image there. And the stabilization of the image seems to correct all my movements, so that helps. Our little Clover 6 device with the handle that does fold out. Nice and simple to use. And the beauty with the electronic ones is that they do have that mode where we can change the contrast, and which for some people can be quite helpful. So that gives you a bit of an idea how that might work. This one we can actually sit it down on there as well. So hopefully you can see that. And something that is possible with this one is that with the text that's on the screen, I can take a photograph of that text, which remains on the screen then, and I can zoom in on it and move around on the screen. That can be quite handy to be able to do that. So it's a clever little thing, and I can release that. If I'm searching for something that could be hidden in there, and you can see mine's quite full, so to be able to find something could be quite tricky, and that's where the portable ones like this with a distance camera built into it can certainly help. So this Clover 6 device has the handle that indicates to the device whether I want it in the normal reading mode or I want it in a distance mode. When it's in its distance mode, I can use it like that, or I can fold out the handle like that and hold it. And it's possible for me to be from a distance away from it and be able to have a look inside there and search around from back here. Instead of getting my head into the cupboard and looking around, I can actually view things around using the device. And of course, if I wanted to, I could do a general one from back here, and I could save it on the screen, and then I can zoom in and move around, and that could give me a good overview of what's in there. A nice tool to have, and of course I can release it again. Now, I guess also the other thing that we could use is our wall cam, where you can probably see if I point it on the cupboard here, there's the red dot. So it's possible for me to, whatever items I'm looking at, point to it, and then it can read the information to me. But again, I've got to be able to point to it, or if I use the yaw cam that's on the side of my glasses now, it certainly wouldn't be able to give me an overview of the items that's there, but each individual item I could certainly get hold of the item itself. In this case, I could use the barcode on it, and it can read out what it is to me. So, nice handy thing to do. Next, I think we should have a look at is perhaps having a look in the fridge, and I guess maybe the fridge is very similar to the pantry idea, where we need that general overview to be able to find things, and certainly I think this little device is handy for that, because we can zoom in, we can use the distance aspect of it, and there realistically isn't anything like this else on the market that can zoom in on something from a distance. That's the beauty of the Clover 6. So I think this is a great little all-round device for spot reading in the kitchen